Hey guys, Cham or Crum here. Whatever you want to say. Second time for this recording. I got this accident this morning, so got I got an accident, so like got scarf. Luckily the other person was okay when I was scared because they fined us for a lot, but turns out everything's okay. I'm glad at that everything's okay, and hope my recovery will be really short. My foot is already recovering, but it still works. Still hard to walk, but yeah, it's kind of hard to walk. So I think I might go to school for a few days. Yeah, hope for hope for the best. Sorry guys.